Dear friends, as the national representative of the International Breathwork Foundation, I cordially invite you to attend the 2022 International Breathwork Conference in Germany. It will happen in Landshut at the Thaler, and which is a wonderful venue which offers you a lot of freedom and a lot of wonderful accommodations. The Global Inspiration Conference 2022 will be a smorgasbord of the best breathwork teachers in the world. It will be an assembly point for many people who are very interested in breathwork and what breathwork can do for their life. There will be concerts, there will be dancing, there will be really interesting keynote lectures from most prolific international speakers. It will be a fantastic event to inform you about breathwork, to participate in breathwork, and to accelerate your life. Join us for the Global Inspiration Conference 2022. You will have a fantastic time. You will grow, you will enjoy, you will celebrate with wonderful people, and you will have an experience you will never forget. Come and join.